I'm never gonna talk again, 'cause in my life I've said too many stupid things. Though it's easy to pretend, I know that I'm a fool. I'm always saying that I feel self-conscious about recording in public. But meanwhile, here I am walking down the street wearing these big, chunky, gaudy glasses and my red pants. Who cares if our president is throwing our economy into chaos? It's National Burrito Day! Go, go! That sure is some crazy ass weather out there! Why do birds suddenly appear every time you are near? Just like me, they long to be close to you. On the day that you were born, an angel came from heaven and decided to create a dream come true.